I continue the lesson by beginning in language use. So I read some sentences. New Year's Day is a very ancient custom. Here is underlined word. So here, listen, your friends are calling you. Your friends are calling you. Here, why these things no? Here underline the word do. Here underline the word do. So here, one of my friends has. Here, as is, underline the word, won the first prize. My friend did not know how to prepare cakes. Did. So here last one. Yesterday he was in Bangalore. He was in Bangalore. So here you have already studied the use of the primary auxiliaries. Already you have studied, you have learned the use of primary auxiliaries. So here, that is the verbs be, do, have. In primary auxiliaries, be, do, and have. So here, be, do, have. You have already studied use of the primary auxiliaries, that is the verbs be, do, and have. Anyway, let us brush up our knowledge of them with the help of the examples. So, today learn the primary auxiliaries in language use. Primary auxiliaries in language use. So here, primary auxiliaries. So here, primary auxiliaries are helping words. Here, let's see positive and negative. First be. Here, you know the be forms. Here be forms in present tense. Here, can, is, are. In past tense, was, were. So here the negatives form here ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂಡ್, ಈಸ್ not short for isn't, are not short for aren't. So here be form in present tense. Be forms are am, is, are. Am, is, are. So negative form haven't, isn't, aren't. Haven't. It is short form of am not. Here is, isn't. It is short form of is not. It is short form of is not. So aren't, it is short form of or not. It is short form of or not. So here positive is negative. Am, is, are positive forms. Haven't, isn't, aren't are negative form. Negative form. Here, haven't. It is short form of am not. So here isn't. It is short form of is not. Aren't is short form of are not. So here in past tense. In past tense was, where, it is negative form wasn't. It is short form of was not. Was not. Parent. Parent. It is short form of were not. So remember here B form ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ B form ನಲ್ಲಿ am, is, are ಇವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. haven't, isn't, aren't ಇವು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಅದೇ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತವೆ was, were. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ was, wasn't. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ were, weren't. weren't. It is short form of were not. ಈಗ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಮರಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಲರೀಸ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ and is, are used in present tense, was, were used in past tense. Used in past tense. Next here do form. Do form. Here do, does used in present tense. Did used in past tense. To do form. To do forms are do, does. In past tense, did. Do, does, did. Do, does used in present tense. Did used in past tense. Did used in past tense. They are positive form. Negative form of do, don't. It is short form of do not. It is short form of do not. So here, what is the short negative form of does not? Doesn't. It is positive form. It is negative form. Do, does. Negative form. Don't, doesn't. Here don't, it is short form of do not. Doesn't, it is short form of does not. Does not. Do, to do form. Here do, does, did. Do, does used in present tense. Do, does used in present tense. Did used in past tense. Here what is the short form of did not? Didn't. You know they are used in simple present tense. Did used in simple past tense. Simple past tense. So here do, does, did. Do, does used in present tense. Did used in past tense. Negative form. Don't, doesn't. Don't, short form of do not. Doesn't, short form of does not. Does not. So here in past tense, use the to do form did. Use the to do form did. So here the negative form of did not. Did not. What is the short form of did not? Right. Now for this, didn't. Short form of did not, didn't. Short form of did not, didn't. So here, next, to have forms. Have forms again. Here, you have forms. have, has used in present tense. Here, have, has used in present tense. Had used in past tense. Here, have, has used in present tense. Had used in past tense. They are positive forms. Have, has, had. So, negative form, have, haven't, has, hasn't. Haven't, hasn't. Have not. Have not short form in haven't. What is the short form of have not? Haven't. What is the short form of has not? Hasn't. What is the short form of had not? Hadn't. So here positive forms and negative forms. You know, we form the negative in sentence after helping word. Use the word not. Nagaraj is a doctor. Here, Nagaraj is a doctor. Is a doctor. Here, it is affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Here, affirms the fact. Affirms the fact. But here, Nagaraja. So here, after helping word, we use the word not. Then the sentence becomes a negative. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸು? ಆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Here affirmative sentence change into negative sentence. ನೋಡಿ, ನಾಗರಾಜ isn't a doctor. Isn't a doctor. Nagaraja isn't. It is short form of is not. It is short form of is not. So here, Ravi likes a book. It is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Then we make negative Ravi. So use the to do form in simple present tense. And in simple past tense we cannot use any helping verb. Then we use the to do form. We use the to do form. Ravi, nodi, Ravi doesn't like a book. So here doesn't, it is short form of does not. It is short form of does not. Nodi, Ravi doesn't like a book. Here Ravi likes a book is positive sentence or affirmative sentence. Ravi doesn't like a book is negative sentence. Negative sentence. Positive sentence and negative sentence. Negative sentence, after helping verb use the word not. After helping verb use the word not. After helping verb use the word not. So remember, positive sentence and negative sentence. Positive sentence and negative sentence. So here, to remember, to be, am, is, are, was, were. To be. Here, am, is, are used in present tense. Was, were used in past tense. So here, to do form. Do, does, did. Do, does, did. Do, does used in present tense. Did used in past tense. Did used in past tense. So here, to have primary auxiliary, to have form. So here, to have or have, yes, had. Here, have, has used in present tense, had used in past tense, had used in past tense, had used in past tense. To remember, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. Here, to do form used in simple present tense. Simple present tense and simple past tense. Simple present tense and simple past tense. To do form used in simple present tense and simple past tense. Here, in simple present tense and in simple past tense, we cannot use any helping verb in subject. Here, I write a book. So it is an example of simple present tense. It is an example of simple present tense. After subject, use the first form of the verb. I write a book. So here, I wrote a book. It is an example of simple past tense. It is an example of simple past tense. Simple present tense, simple past tense. So here, in the sentences, right? The simple present tense and simple past tense, we make a negative, we make a question, we form the tag. We must use the to do form. We must use the to do form. Here, first I make it a negative. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೇವೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಡು ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Do, does used in present tense, simple present tense. Did used in simple past tense. ನೋಡಿ, I write a book. I don't write a book. So the sentence becomes a negative. The sentence becomes a negative. Frame the question. What do I write? What do I write? In question I use the to do form do. What do I write? What do I write? So here I wrote a book. So it is an example of simple past tense. It is an example of simple past tense. Right present tense, wrote past tense. Right present tense, wrote past tense. Here we make a negative. Use that to do for did. I didn't write a book. I didn't write a book. I didn't write a book. To remember, wherever use the to do form did, the main verb in present tense. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕ್ರಿಯಾಪದ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Wherever you use the to do form did, the main verb in present tense. The main verb in present tense. The main verb in present tense. So remember. Look here. I write a book. I don't write a book. I wrote a book. Negative is I didn't write a book. I didn't write a book. Make a sentence change into negative sentence. Here, Kiran wanted a book. So here, Kiran wanted a book. Here the sentence is in simple past tense. So here we change into negative sentence. Then Kiran. So here there is no helping verb. The sentence is in simple present tense and simple past tense. After subject, use the to-do form. So do does use it in present tense, did use it in past tense. Did. After did, use the word not. Here I write short form of did not. What is the short form of did not? Didn't want a book. Didn't want a book. Here Kiran wanted a book. Kiran wanted a book, changing to negative. Kiran didn't. It is short form of did not. Didn't want a book. Didn't want a book. So here we have played a cricket. We have played a cricket. So here have is a primary auxiliary. Primary auxiliary to have. So changing to negative, we. What is the short form of have? Haven't played a cricket. Played a cricket. To remember, we make a negative. After helping word, use the word not. Use the word not. Then the sentence becomes a negative. The sentence becomes a negative. The sentence becomes a negative.